Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the notification panel, and here on the top bar somewhere you should find the screen record icon. In my case it's here. Now just click once on the icon to start the recording, and here you'll set the record, just the sound settings. Now just to record audio, you should click here once on the switcher, and here we have selected the microphone. So now when we'll just recording our screen, we can use the microphone in our audio. Also in our screen recording, also we can switch the microphone to the device audio. So here by this way we'll record only the system sounds here on our device, or also we can switch it to the device audio and microphone. So we can by this way use the system sounds and just to comment something with the enabled microphone. And if you want to just to record the mute video, you should just click here once again on the switcher, and your video will just mute. So that's it, and after that just start here, click here to start, and you'll start screen recording video. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.